golden clear music only here on Remix Avenue.
Listening to the music of Iloilo Mix Love DJs. DJ Jonel Sagayno Remix. DJ Jonel Sagayno.
Yeah, soupy also. I want soupy.
Teka lang dyan.
Sino?
Ikaw.
Thank you. Sa inyo muna. Atay, kapag mo tayo nga. Tapos tayo gamitin ko na.
Asan yung sausawan natin?
Basta mga nun.
Gusto mo ng ano?
Mahal.
Honey. Ang paginan ng tutupagsit ko. Ayun, bahala ka dyan.
Ano eh? Hindi mo pa. Kasi kapag mo ito na tama ng damo.
Asan yung ano?
Oo, kuha. At kukuha kami ng dalawa ng isang hotdog. Bigyan mo ng hotdog ah.
Kuha ka rin.
Okay na.
Thank you.
Ang spaghetti yun. Eh, sabayan.
Ayoko ng spaghetti. Nagasan ko na put up yung nagasan ko.
Bayan. Kapag-share.
Kain, kain.
Spicy mo ata. Ano may spicy? Spicy na.
Lagyan mo ng basma.
Normally kasi gano'n. Ako eh. Kaya dito ko.
Hindi ako matulog pag nakakalian.
Ang dami ginagawa. Normal. Ang ipa.
Oo, talaga po kami. Kaya pag kailangan ka pa sabi nga naman ko sa sabi, Kuya ka dyan.
Ang sikanan. Ano na lang bisin?
Gusto ko yung daan nila doon.
I got a few states, I'm trying to cut 'em off. I know how to make the girl go crazy. When you treat her like your number one baby. Put my pictures on, got me on the jet skis. Put your eyes and take the
DJ Jonel Sagayno Remix.
I know how to make the girl go crazy. When you treat her like your number one baby. Put my pictures on, got me on the jet skis. Put your eyes and take the time to cut 'em off.
DJ Jonel Sagayno Remix.
Mix Club DJs. Mix Club DJs.
Gotta take this time to cut 'em off, I need.
Don't forget to like and share and subscribe.
DJ Jonel Sagayno Remix.
What's happening?
Video ang.
Send mo sa akin yan.
Sarap ng kain namin. Ngayon, mana taguan. Ang tamaan.
Send mo sa akin.
Sunday talaga. Parang dami. Pag weekdays naman. Oh my. Isa pa. Busy din. Nagagawa ng kape ngayon. Ay, hindi, kapusin.
Put your fucking hands up!
DJ Jonel Sagayno Remix.
I'm going on you in this time. I feel there's no one to save me. This all and nothing really got away, you're driving me crazy. I need somebody to
What's happening?
somebody to know, somebody to hurt, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I try to like the way you number the pain. Now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let what got down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love.
DJ Jonel Sagayno Remix.
I'm